So previously I made some sessions, some positions, some wins like this one and the previous one also. Yeah, this one was I wasn't sure. All right, I wasn't sure. This one also, I wasn't sure, but the market made the last candles and I won. As you can see, I made 255. Let's open a short position first, and I will continue with you guys. So, guys, as you can see, lately or previously, I was trading on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but I don't like to trade on cryptocurrencies, especially on IQ option. It's a little bit risky. I trade on Binance sometimes, but here I'm trading binary options. So this is binary options. As you can see, I'm trading with Euro USD. Today, I opened this. I don't know, eight positions. I made this loss, but something just I don't know grabbed my attention when I made these two wins. I guess that I found this trend, and then this downtrend is clear. So I'm opening this short position, and I believe that the market would close above this level, and I will open other short positions. I believe that the market will create some simple or small short downtrend. So guys, yeah, as usual, I'm using my own strategy, the same strategy that I usually use or all the time. Uh, so guys, if you are interested in learning, great. The first win. So just as predicted, the next one, yeah, yeah, just as predicted. So simply, this four candles were the secret behind my winning trade. So let's open another short position. Yeah, another short position. The market will keep going. The market will keep going. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this was the last trade. So guys, I opened a couple of binary option positions. I made only this loss. So guys, if you are interested in learning my strategy, how I trade binary options, you can do it from the course in the description below at binarystrategycourse.com. Binarystrategycourse.com. You can learn how I trade, basic tips. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great. All right. This is, I guess, this is the second trade since I started the live. Um, let's open another short position. Let's just wait for this candle. This one is not sure, but the next one, I guess. So let's wait for it to go under zero the next minute. Yeah. So the two previous trades were short position. This one is also going to be a short position, and I believe that the market will go down. All right, but I'm not sure. But I guess that the market will stop here, and then it will try to bounce back. So perhaps next, I'm not sure if I'm winning this trade. Next trade, I'm almost 100% that I'm going to open a long position. So a long position. So as I was saying, guys, today, before I started this live, I was just trying to figure out the signal, if the signal is good or not. Previously, it was not good, but once I made these two wins, I was 100% that I should make a live for you. So, guys, yeah, and for my students who already have access to my course, just go back to chapter 5 episode 3. There's some changes to my MACD parameters. Now I'm using 20 as my period on the MACD. Just this value here is changed. Try to change it into 20, from 10 to 20. Let's take this win. Yeah, the third win, great. This one, yeah, this one was almost perfect. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, the previous ones was not perfect until the end. great. This one is also, yeah, these two trades were attention grabbing. This was risky. All right, this was risky. I almost lost here, but I don't know what happened. To be honest, I was just trying to figure out which direction the market is taking. Previously, before that, this was not 90%. It was like 70%, but I won. I won. Before that, I lost this trade. I lost this trade. All right, let's open a long one. Yeah, as I was saying, so the market bounced back. So just as I was saying, the market created this downtrend and then bounced back. I guess that this is a win. If you already know my strategy, you know that here, you know that here the market is going up. Yeah, so hopefully guys, you will learn the strategy, you will learn the basics of binary options, and yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm just making these videos for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that this is 100% sure that you are going to make ton of ton amount of money from binary options. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not telling you that you will make the same results. So please keep trading on demo account. Just testing. Yeah, yeah. Win. Next, down. What's happening here is that the market will try to go below the middle band. Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, I guess I'm winning. Here, oh, I made a small mistake here. I forget about MACD and RSI. MACD and RSI are not clear. That's why you need a lot of discipline before opening any trades, guys. You need to keep looking at your indicators, the 4 indicators: MACD, parabolic, SAR, RSI, and Bollinger Bands. But that's okay. Yes. Unfortunately, it was not loss. Unfortunately, I did not lose. Yeah. Yeah. Or fortunately, I did not lose. I almost made a big mistake here. So, yeah. This is going up. Yeah, this is going up. I guess that the market will try now. The market will try to go up until it will reach. But as I predicted, as you can see, this candle closed below the Bollinger Bands. But my prediction was right. What was wrong is where I opened the position. So yeah, a win, just as predicted. The next one is also going to be an uptrend. I'm going to open a long position. Yeah, let's open. I guess that. Yeah, so long position. Yeah, this one is also a risk. This and this, but this one was a loss. This one was a loss. I hate when I lose. I hate when I lose. I like when I get a signal, I win all the trades. All the trades. So as you can see, I lost. That's okay. That's totally okay. Yeah, another win. So as I was saying, the market would try to go up. Next also is going up. Yeah, I guess. I don't know why the market is tricky these days. The market is tricky. Be careful, guys, when you trade in Euro USD these days. There's some tricks happening with the market. I don't know. No. This one is a win. This one, don't worry. Even if the market is going below, and I'm almost losing, it will come back up again. Trust me. Or no. Yeah, just like this. Please say Bob. Please. Yes. Yes. Yes, a win. The next one is going down. So now the market touched the upper band. The market touched the upper band. This means that we are going down. So the previous three positions were long positions. So the market was going up. This was a short position, but I lost here. No, I didn't lose. It was even. But yeah, next. Oh, the sellers or the buyers are pushing against me. The buyers are against me. I'm going to lose. Yes. Oh my god. Fortunately, I did not lose. Fortunately, this was not a loss. Fortunately, I didn't lose. Great. This position was perfect. I did not lose here because I thought that I'm going to lose. Next, I'm going down. Yeah. Next, now, the market from this point on, the market we go down. So we keep going down. I guess that I still have 2 or 3 positions left. I'm going to open 2 or 3 positions, and I guess that's it. I made already enough profit from this session or today's session. So I opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 or 11, sorry, 12, 15 trades. Great. I guess, yeah, so just as predicted, the market will not go above. So let's go down. Let's open a short position also. The market will not, the market will not go above this level. So from this point, I'm expecting a short position. Yeah, from this point, I'm expecting a short position. I guess that's it. So guys, as usual, if you are interested in learning binary options from me personally, learning my strategy, just go to my website, binarystrategycourse.com, take the course and try to learn the strategy, try to learn my methods, try to learn my techniques, and yeah, hopefully you will master it and become a better trader. I guess that's it. Yeah, I guess, yep. This is, the last win. I already made enough profit. I shared with you the last 9 trades or 10. Yeah, the last 10 trades. Yeah, I don't think so. See you later, guys.